What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's second video. In today's second video, we're going to take a look at Cardano. Take a look at the daily, the 4-hour, the weekly, and also the Cardano Bitcoin pair to see if I have any clues of what is coming next for Cardano. So if that sounds good to you guys, let's not waste any more time and jump straight on into the daily chart. If you jump straight to the daily chart here, we can see Cardano is on the brink, if you want to call it, of a breakout as we speak right now. If you take a look, you do have a nice ascending triangle where you're getting consistent here, higher lows here. Consistent higher lows, and you're getting rejected at your same point at the top. You did have a wick above there yesterday, but have not quite confirmed that breakout. So if we actually take a look here and we take our top to our bottom, let's take a look at our measure move target for Cardano. We looked at this in the last video, but I did want to check it out again so anyone who's watching it now knows that our measure move target out of this puts us somewhere around a $2 ADA. All right, so absolutely craziness there. You can see we're also getting nice bounces off our 20-day moving average pretty consistently here, and has been a pretty good barometer of our success. And now we are on the, like I said, on the brink of that breakout. We do have to break 147, in my opinion, on a daily close basis. And as of right now, our daily close is right above that level right now. So we'll see if we get a daily close above that today. Now, switching over to our 4-hour chart, this is something that also has to do with our daily close. We also are forming a cup and handle pattern, right? We have this giant cup here, and we have this handle that's also forming, okay? And what's interesting about this is if we break out of this, that would also break us out of our bigger ascending triangle pattern. And the breakout target for our cup and handle, from our top to our bottom of our cup, or bottom to top, I should say, and you extrapolate that at your breakout point, that's going to give you a target of all the way up here towards right around 192. So relatively in the same place, not exactly, but you get what I'm saying. You just have to break. So what happens to break out of this? You have to come up here, break this resistance line. You can see this resistance line coming across, which would right now, if you went straight up, would be approximately about $1.52. If you can break that on the 4-hour level, I do think you're going to see a big, massive move up coming for Cardano. Obviously, bearing any type of Bitcoin and Ethereum shenanigans, either today or tomorrow, that we see a big dump from those two. We should be seeing Cardano pump. If we do see a Bitcoin and Ethereum dump, you're probably going to see Cardano dump as well. Just look for a possible break of this line. If you get rejected here, that would nullify this for me, and you could be seeing lower prices. So just keep that in mind as well. Now, switching on over to our weekly chart for Cardano, just a nice structured weekly chart, right? On this last consolidation, you can see you went up, you came back down, retested your previous resistance high candle bodies, right, from January 2018, and retested those as support. You also didn't even have to come back down to your 10-week moving average, which has been also your weekly support bands. Your 20 and 10 weekly moving averages have been your support bands moving on up here, and you didn't even have to come back down to test those. You literally just pumped straight up to the upside, which is unbelievable. Now, if you want to take a look at our next long-term Fibonacci targets, we can take a look at our Fib retracement tool, take our bottom to our top, and extrapolate that up. And you can see our 1.618 Fibonacci is our next point, which is about, what do you know, guys, right around $2. This one's $2.10, but everything is pointing to a $2 Cardano, in my opinion. We're just seeing a lot of confluence at that general area. And then after that, we have our 2.618 Fibonacci at about $3.38. So like I said, so much confluence at that $2 Cardano area, where if we do see that confirmed breakout of this resistance line out of this ascending triangle, also our cup and handle pattern, and also our Fibonacci target, we're going to see some explosions coming for Cardano. Now, the Cardano Bitcoin pair is also showing a pump for Cardano. You can see we broke out of the symmetrical triangle on the Cardano Bitcoin pair on the daily, and now we are continuing our pump to the upside. So we're seeing Cardano gain against Bitcoin since that breakout. We've seen Cardano go against Bitcoin about 10% against Bitcoin, and its next resistance, in my opinion, if we look up, is this line up here at our local highs up here at about 31% gain against Bitcoin as well. So seeing a lot of confluence there. We do have resistance looking left at that area as well, once and twice back here. So that is what we're waiting for Cardano against BTC. But guys, Cardano's looking extremely bullish right now. If you're worried about Cardano, do not be worried about Cardano. Waiting on this breakout of this ascending triangle, cup and handle pattern. Now, watch for the rejection, right? We've seen this before for Cardano, where we came up to here being extremely bullish, and have gotten rejected. So if we get rejected here, don't be surprised if we come back down and retest the bottom of this one more time. But I am personally expecting a breakout here, like I said, bearing any shenanigans for Bitcoin and Ethereum, because they can always come in and ruin the day for the other high cap altcoins like Cardano. Okay, so that's the video on Cardano today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did and you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe down below. Also leave a like for me and leave a comment on what altcoins you guys want me to talk about in my next videos. All right, so talk to you guys later in the live stream. Peace out.